A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
Mavado, gangster for life. I lose for you, my killer. You see me? And believe me when I tell you this. A matter of fact, when I work with believe, because believe is a doubt. Know this when I tell you, my killer. A whole heap of gangster loser for you. You see it?
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
You don't know one Media Fox man happen now. Yeah man, you know what things say. So people, you don't know Sunday Alkaline are going to Antigua. You see me, you don't know July the 26th. People, I know nothing normal. Me I tell you, remember you know, girl good challenge, la challenge a go on. You understand? La Playa, you don't know, show I go sell off. I go show some boy how we shell down place. Cause you don't know what artists where they go down Antigua and you see me? Them saying flap out. But we're gonna show them how we do it. You understand? So people, Sunday, Alkaline I got the Antigua, La Playa. You see me? I think other artists keep on I do that on the show. But you don't know the young lad, yeah man, the giant. You see me? One key man in the dance hall. You understand? Yeah man. You see it? So people, you know Alkaline girl good, right? And you hear some people that say, yo, only the hook part of the song people know this, that. But you don't know, we not argue with them, you know. You don't know Media Fox go to work already. You understand? We are going to show them what go on. Alright now. See? So that are the favorite part of the song. See? Cause them say, once the part they play, nobody know the rest of the song. Alright, we're gonna make a girls sing phone and show no what go on. Cause we don't realize what go on, you know. You understand? It's just that every song, most of the song them are same, so them say the hook part, you understand? And then you don't know go down in a verse. But you don't know the hook part always be the catchy part. You understand? Yeah. But at the end of the day, most of the time, remember say in a DJ, like when you're a DJ, you know, and you play a song, you know, sometimes a DJ them skip a song by time. You understand for reach certain place. Is it? Yeah. So we have some artists who perform out them song and you have some don't. See? So look how the girl will go down in the verse right now, you understand? Yeah man. Yo, me I tell you say, yo, don't play me. Tell them already. The girl them good. So them are gonna know them song. I feed them song. This an Alkaline song. You understand? Alright, you don't know Alkaline drop a song name Decking, you understand? Yeah man, it a go on good in the street, you understand? So I want to listen to what I go on. Digging a man. Yeah man, you don't know what things said people. You know say people, me I watch a video. See, I mean I say, yo, just listen the song up here, it have a vibes. It can move too. You understand? Like the rock, the beat, every little thing. There. You see me? Yo, people. You see me? Cause I don't want to catch no copyright, you know. Cause I don't know, you understand? You don't know the YouTube AI set. But people, what do you think about the decking song? A lot of people say, yo, this and I, but you see more while, you don't know the biasness, and if you don't rate the artist, you're not going to say Ray. And at the end of the day, I know every song an artist release, I got to be that type of song. You understand? I know every song where artist drop, I got to be a hit song, and it go cross the road with every dancehall artist. You understand? And one artist alone when me hear them say everything him drop at hits. But when him go they go perform it, you know that go. You understand? But at the end of the day, reality is artist dropping song and a heavy song. But the song can vibe too. And at the end of the day, you know, it's all boiled down to how you promote the song as well. You understand? But some song you promote it and Ray and you know you get used in a people's ears. But this have a vibe, man. I like I remember you know, it's a party, this and people are drink liquor. You understand? Yeah, this is more like a liquor tune. You understand? A liquor song. Like, you see me party and you know decking a man, you have all work a morning. You see me cause decking can mean a lot of things, you know. You understand? You have work a morning but you get drunk tonight. You understand? Yeah, decking a morning, you don't know if you have your office work, your farming work, you understand? Your teacher work, your doctor, lawyer, all of them little things there, you see me? Yeah man, decking a morning. People don't watch my song. Mad thing. Yo, people, remember, you know, you see Alkaline, I want talented artist. Remember me tell you, can't program him. Yeah, man, remember that.
Wicked and sick and wicked. Yo, Mavado, gangster for life. I loser for young killer. You see me? And believe me when I tell you this. A matter of fact, when I work with believe, because believe is a doubt. Know this when I tell you, my killer. A whole heap of gangster loser for you. You see it? Because you see what happened in 2008, and for the last 2 decades, it wasn't a coincidence. You see me? Everything happened for a reason in life. You see it? And
yo, Chacha. You see, basically, a lot of people with the Mavado thing, you know. You understand them and say, yo, Gully and the Gaza thing, the link up thing, that drain energy for him and a bagger thing, but I'll never say that, bro. Man, I do him thing and a man I make him money, you know. He must know, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, I him have to know that, man. You see it, I guess some people were kind of back then, you know, take the thing serious or a certain energy that some man just say, yo, them not with that, you know.
everybody friendship you need. You see me? And everybody deserve forgiveness. You see it? Sometimes when you see some people a drop, you have to just load them, make them drop, man. You see me? Because more time when you see someone a try act like them good, them just a put on a show. You see it? Or them just end up in a situation. You see it? And them cannot hold out and stand for what them normally stand for. So them have to switch up and do a bugger thing just to look good. You see it? Remember say you are the same man this, you know, we try for disgrace you, you know, and tarnish your name, you know.
So basically what I must say with the thing with Cartel and how Cartel is like this Mavado and 50 say Mavado with the Gully and the Gaza thing. You see me? So that he must say, yo, everything happen for a reason. But then if you say, yo, you and them money enough for a link. You understand? Because I must say basically them money draw energy and you see me drain energy and them look a thing there. Yeah man.
I try to make it look like a fool worldwide on public TV. But the same person this to say, yo, we pay you 50,000 for spell intelligent just to make it look like a dunce.
People, you know, say, yo, I see that video here. I see that couple here vibe to his song, you know what I mean? I say, yo, you see music? Yo, John, yo, me I tell you, say music is a very powerful thing, you know. You understand? But you have common sense. You can listen to music, but not true this saying of the song means so you have to go do it. You understand? But I see that video people and I say, yo, Jano, you know, say, if you see them a vibe to the song and you know, the energy and the vibes, like you don't know, say this I think kind of Barclays Center and Alkaline and perform and you know them they up in the arena. You see me? Two of them a vibe and you know them a enjoy themselves. You understand? Yeah man, it's a good look. You see it? Yeah man, I just say you got good music. You see me? But me just see video and I say, yo, that video look interesting. You see me? Yeah, me have to make the people them see it. You see it? Them have a vibe, man. Yeah, man. So look here now, people. This is down a Barbados Sunday night we're going. See? Yeah, last weekend. You see me, I don't know this somebody Barbados are the Lala challenge. So make we hear what one.
Here's the alkaline back.
Yo, all me know, when she wake up a morning, she have to get some rum and honey. Maybe squeeze 2 lime, cause trust me, a problem a morning, man. You see when Alka perform and the Lala challenge, no voice a morning, me I tell you. But people, you don't say that girl, I see she do a little thing and she have a good voice and thing, you see me, and she always a sing Alkaline song them. You see it? Yeah, man, it's a good look, and if you say, yo, she kinda, use Alkaline lyrics and thing with fear voice. You understand? So make we see what I go on.
Used to drop better songs than him drop right now. Agree? You know what I want, yeah? Never the time for a life on people for make my move. I never saw me grow. Wanna say me hype, I know you probably be right. But if you're not on a pride, I guess anything goes. Me, I live my life, telling me up me on. Used to be the little kid, now I have to grow. Oh, see my life, it's so rough. Skinny nigga did just tell him whenever I'm done. I'm so broke. Before I get laid off, not a work. Did have to turn a man from this, I know my life feel like I'm done. You know me wouldn't change a thing.
Yo, people, this sick. Mad thing. Yo, you saw music powerful. You see when you do good music and people can sing it over and make it look like in a unique way, like, yo, this tough. I tell you. Yeah, man, waves like the ocean. Yeah, man, you don't know that's track your name, Ocean Wave by Alkaline. You understand? Mad thing, people.
Tuesday I lose a couple times before you win. Oh yeah, I pop bottles, fuck matters. Hope my story have a happy like the Davos. Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look up on the sea and show me how them are with me. Feels like the ocean, yeah. When they're there, I better near some loud explosion and we make the commotion. Yeah. Different dance, but them watch me every motion. These songs so good. Yeah. We be first, cause them sound like ocean and it's like the ocean. Yeah. Never see a force, no, never see a force.
No, yo, people, that mad. So people, that girl, yeah, down at Trinidad, you don't know, so Alkaline I got there. Trinidad, August the 22nd, summer stage. You understand? So look here now. She a go tell you what go on. Cause I look like her friend them trick her or something. You understand? After she go buy her, must see what, VIP ticket. She thinks her friend them a go buy it, but boy, I don't know what go on. I'm not go hear what go on, people.
So I have a proposition for everybody. I want to sell my VIP female ticket. Well, not necessarily sell. I more or less want to trade. And I know you're going to ask why, Sasha. Because initially, the people who I was going with, we all agreed we was going VIP. I run fast and bought my VIP ticket. And then everybody turned and said, I want to go to general. These people shall remain nameless. Aaliyah is who you're talking to. So being that, those are the people I was going with. I have no choice but to downsize, you know? It makes no sense. So if you want to go VIP and you have a general ticket, what you could simply do is just pay me the difference. You give me your general ticket and make sure it's a real ticket. Don't bring no bogus ticket here for me because I promise I can hold it by your throat and squeeze it. Give me a general ticket, you pay me 300 difference. Even if your ticket is 350, it doesn't matter. Counting, it doesn't matter, right? So just pay me the difference with your $300 and give me your general ticket. So ticket technically for sale, but more or less for trade. Let us barter. No, we're not bartering, bitch, because my price still stands. I want the 300 and give me your general ticket. Simple.
Yeah, man. Yo, one of the worst thing in the people. Seeing? One of the worst thing is that, if you're in a VIP, seeing? With your friend them. No. In a VIP without a friend by yourself. One of the worst thing. You understand? Because you know, you go to see an artist and you know you want in the code for actually. Because sometimes it depends. Certain VIP, they are different parties. Some of them, they are the side where you not go to see the artist. You just see the artist from a side view. But it look like, say, yo, when it's like she and her friend for buy the VIP ticket and it look like she run go buy it and then after me, them say you are general. You understand? So she not go and see a VIP by herself. So that's why she say, yo, whoever general and want go VIP, just pay the difference. You understand? And give she the general. You see what I'm trying to say? But people, me see a brother forward out and I talk about the things. So I have to make you know what I go on, because I know media fast go to work, don't? Yeah, man.
There will be one question after watching some fest last night, Gaza and Gully. Why is it these vloggers or fans like compare Carter with Massacre or Alkaline and don't compare Carter with a Mavado? Why is it they try to jump the gun? Because none of these artists, these young artists, don't bad like David Brooks. None of them can compare to David Brooks, you know what I mean? They're not the Catalan music, they're not the hits after hits. I'm talking about classic music, I'm talking about just song hard for the moment. You know what I mean? I'm talking about classic music. You know what I mean? I don't know why is it that I was comparing a new upcoming artist because you find a couple hits and that giant rap classic, it is two different things, you know what I mean? After watching some music, I realized that Mavado and Carter is the man. Them is dancehall. Respectable only Beanie and the rest of join them in the early. But that man is dancehall. These are artists fighting it. They're not fighting to come on. You know what I mean? They got the catalog of music, they got the hits after hits. You know what I mean? Should they fight?
But my general, you have an artist have catalog out there as well and have hits after hits. Same name what you call with Alkaline. So I don't understand what you're trying to say. You understand? And it's so funny that you bring up, say, why them a compare Mavado with them artists of Alkaline and want to compare him to Cartel or you say why them a compare Cartel with Alkaline them also. Because Alkaline are the key man of dancehall. Him name always a call up, him have hits after hits. Him a do great. You understand? Him a do some stuff with the money I do. You see it? And him are the youngest dancehall artist to do it. You understand? So, I just one of them things there. If you do great things, your name I go call with great. You see me? Because if you wasn't on that level, why your name always a call up with them? You understand? When you're great, people are going to compare other great people to you. I just saw it go. Because if you did that some lily artists or some small artists, wouldn't have time I met them. I met them the artists if you say, you see me? I just saw it go, my G.
To cheat it, and tell us they are the man. At that time, we used to say Alkaline is the man because he run the place for 2016. But this man just running the place. You know what I mean? Not for them, they got to stop, not for keep it up, not for them burn. You know what I mean? The burn of the cup. If you don't hear about Cartel, you can't hear about them. Mavado and Cartel, they still carrying it. Cartels were 50, Mavado were 48, 45. Big man in the business, and it's just a shame on Jamaican I was comparing these young artists to them giant. It's like you just give the title to anybody. You know what I mean? Give the title to anybody because they a couple hits. They know, the things that they know. That Cartel.
But I see him, so you go back then. Cartel usually compare with Bounty Killer. Cartel usually compare with a lot of artists, so where they there before him. Cartel compare with Sean Paul. Although Sean Paul are the bigger artists. So, I don't know what you mean, my G. Artists compare with artists. You see me? Yeah, because the reason why them compare, the artists them do great. You see what I try to say? I just saw it thing go. It's just that some of them just not accurate. You see me? But if you just get up every day and see them compare artist to artist, the artist who want to say so-called not upon that level there, why not compare him with the artist if him not close to that level there or not on that level? You understand? Because that don't make no sense. You see it?
That is the man. And Mavado, they're right there, sir. They're right there, sir. You know what I mean? But yet still, through the 8 and bad mind world boss, anybody felt the 8 sound, they just push it up and say, Carter, this one is the king now, this one is the king now. You sit back, sing the sound here, later down, push it up right away. Carter be like to sit back like it's a joke thing, you know what I mean? Like it's a joke thing. And they know and I know, And no artist can compete to Cartel in Jamaica. They know that. Apart from Mavado. I don't know them man bad yet. And that man get the Cartel like music. And that man never run no place since 2000 to now, 20 something years. Which artist ever did that? Can't tell. I'm the same Gully guy. And I mean, just to Mavado more humble and into the media. But if Mavado was into the media, he would always call in a name. But don't forget, because he in shadow mean that he invisible. Mean that he invisible. Yeah. You know what I mean? But stop comparing these young artists. Just, they gotta do what they gotta do. They gotta put in the works. You know what I mean? They gotta put in the works. Next 5 years from now, I don't believe. I won't say I don't believe, but next 5 years from now, if these artists really step the pace of these young artists, we won't be hearing about them. All the time going now, by them and by their slips, so new artists coming and new artists taking over. You know what I mean? Even Papi's a big artist too. That man is big artist. That man more draw a crowd more than these new artists. Them old artists more get a crowd than these new artists. You know what I mean? Not taking them anything from Massacre. Massacre bad. Massacre was my artist. The reason I say was because I didn't like the fall out and proved to me that you're a traitor. And you know, Gaza is loyalty. You know what I mean? And we want to salute it for Massacre, support Massacre fully.
When just the people Gaza is loyalty? I'll leave that to the comment section.
And if Carter did bad my Massacre, I can tell you, you want to give him Massacre strength. That Massacre thing is giving Carter strength. Carter always have a lion and a bigger fan base. And you with a little fan base, so small like a jam panty size, can never give a man strength. You understand? We feel the strength. Strength, it's don't give, it's don't make it strength. It's don't make it strong with your fans them. And you gotta take it side, you make no fun, it make no sense. This song won't get global, this song won't trend, but it's the fan base. It's always make killing man, and Carter got the fan base, so much can't get a man with a bigger fan base strength. You understand, man? So at the end of the day, man, I think these artists can just work with professional stuff with the company. No matter what these bloggers is demonstrate for intertwine you. You know what I mean? You got other band bloggers out there that don't like Carter, so they use you energy now for put you as a rival. And you know within yourself you're not a rival. Every man is great, yeah. But just gotta know to yourself and God is God, man is man. Just gotta know these things, you know what I mean? Watch Mavado know you bad. And Mavado's on my man. Mavado not see you shooting off a Carter come. You don't even go to God, nobody can take that from you. You understand me? See any other you trying to run it up, you're bad man. I can't see it no other, man, you're bad man. You have all the work, put in the words, man. When it gets to your head, you gotta keep working and focus. You know what I mean? You gotta keep working and focus. When I watch any family clash and Massacre clash and listen, Massacre family are in a choke hole. And for you shooting off the king come, it don't make no sense because it's levels to this thing, you know what I mean? It's levels to this thing. So, just put in the works, man, and don't matter if it is king tag, man, you know what I mean? You don't proclaim yourself as king. When the time come, the people will select you as king. Don't let 20% fans tell you as king. You understand me? Because you yourself know who's the king. You yourself must know there's one king. You don't be the man farmer king. A king is a king, and they can't change. The man is still the king. You understand me? He's not the reigning king. Carter is the reigning king. And thanks for everything, man. Too much bad man in the place. I was among black man trying to fight against black man. Which is sense of singing a positive song. And usually one fighting against the king. One fighting against the old black brother. You know what I mean? I got all these things, man. But last I was a great performer on the bodyguard. I was a boss, you know what I mean? And I don't know what me think there. Fully, Gaza. But it's under my nose. I'm out.
Yo, John, what I tell the people. I tell you. The money boy, they get about under nose. I don't know under no nose, you know, me G. You must know, you know. Because anything can under the nose. You understand? Yeah, because we don't really know under cartel nose. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know. Is it? You don't know one media facts when you have. Is it? But sometimes we just hear some people talk. You see me? And I feel just make them talk. Feel them opinion. Don't mean say the reality of life. You see me? At the end of the day, cartel and Mavado build each other career. Them do what them do. You understand? Yeah, don't mean say the youths them have to come replicate what them do. You understand? Yeah, that have feed them destiny. You see it? Yeah, man. Them are forward from the same camp, same house. You see, two of them build each other career. You see me? Yeah. Remember say Mavado did that one night time. Nothing never go on, never hear. Cartel Fado, no. You know that go. Gully and Gaza, good thing for them. You understand? Two of them go through it. And two of them are benefit of it now. You see me? Yeah. We all know what happened with it. You see me? People lose some life a bag of thing. You see me? That's one of them thing there. You see, the Gully and the Gaza is just Vice Cartel and Mavado. You understand? And I don't think you ever get another clash like that in that way. You understand? Every artist or who I gotta do them thing in a different way. Whenever it happen, it just happen. It's not mandatory. You understand? And it no must happen. At the end of the day, clash no bring greatness. You understand? It's just a little thing in a dancehall way. Yeah. But you have more greater things than doing clash. You see me? Yeah, more greater things is out there. You see me? Because music no stop a clashing. You see it? The clashing thing is just a part of Mavado and Cartel career. So, them just a benefit of it. You understand? No other artists not benefit of it. Because two of them do it. You understand? Them lose people. That's how it go. A sacrifice. You see me? So people, big up on yourself. I do great artists them same way. You see me? Yeah. But people, big up yourself. You don't know one media facts pan. That is it.